Okay, this is Pyro Dog. I've got another video of another updated stash to add to my last two videos that I had of Phantom, Fireworks, and Big. This is two purchases, one from Superior out of Florida, which has, let's see, most of the product I think is by Cutting Edge. If you can see that. Okay, and then the second part of this purchase was a place called Boomland in Missouri, and most of the product there will be Brothers and World Class. So, begin the video starting with the Superior. I bought case quantities, so everything is case quantities. First case is 4 Amazings. Pretty cool fountain cake. The video looks to be about 2 minutes long, and it's pretty awesome, actually pretty amazing. So 4 of those. 4 cakes in this case, all 36 shot, black eye, knockout, fat lip, and out cold. Again, looks like really good cakes. Bought a case of all night long, 16 shots per cake, 4 cakes. 4 cakes. Bought a case of Extreme Machine 36 shot cake, 4 of those. Okay, bought a case of Free Falling 4 fan cakes, and these are 28 shots per cake. 4 cakes of Mr. Big, and these are 53 shots per cake, and it's a fan cake also. And these are smaller. They say they're 500 gram. I don't know if they are or not. They're a smaller cake, but they're 30 shots a cake. Super Duty. Bought a case of those. 8 of those came in a case. Power Zone 15 shot. These are a 200 gram cake, a case of 8. Absolute Evil, bought a case of those, 200 gram. There are 12 of those per case. And then I bought a case of Electricity. These are 16 shot cakes, and there were 12 of those in a case. And I don't know whether I mentioned it, but this is also a 16 shot. So that is all of the, oh, and 6 of these 12 cases, I got 12 cases of Excaliburs. 6 of those came from that order with Superior, and an excellent deal on those. About the cheapest I've found them anywhere. Okay, moving on to the Boomland order. Had 6 more cases of Excaliburs. I believe I paid $49.99 a case, which is pretty good. Got a case of Fighting Rooster, 30 shot per cake. I got a case of Green, 30 shots per cake. Excellent green color in that. It's a really nice cake. I got 2 cakes, 500 gram cakes. It says on the box, really One Bad Mother. So I don't know if that's a newer wrapping or what. I've seen One Bad Mother, Really Bad Mother, and One Bad Mother-in-Law. So don't know the difference, but it looks to be a 25 shot cake. 2 Guerrilla Warfares, 30 shot cakes. I got a case of these Highfalutins, and these are 49 shot per cake. Okay, then I got 2 Loyal to Nuns, 33 shots each. 2 Blonde Jokes, 36 shot cake. These are supposed to be really good. I grabbed 4 of these. Crazy Excitings. Don't know exactly how many shots are in those. but nonetheless they're a good cake. Another 200 gram cake. I'm thinking there's 25 shots in those. Could be wrong, but anyway. Mobile Menace, got 4 of those. Those are a 35 shot. In the video that I saw on those are pretty neat. I got 2 of these frog prints fountains. Kind of neat little fountains. And I got 2 of these 96 shot fireworks fiestas. Pretty similar to a Phantom cake that I have. Is a 96 shot, does about the same thing. I think these were just a little cheaper. Then I also got 2 cases of the Diablo canister shell for free after my purchase. So these were about a $55 case per case that I got for free. Okay, so, and that all came from this place, Reeves Boomland. Excellent place. Made a trip, had a good time, got a free breakfast, met the gentleman that owns the place, good guy. So I definitely recommend stopping in and checking that out. So that is an updated, this is my 3rd video of different product, and this is probably going to be one of my last. So that's the 3rd video of the 2015 fireworks stash. Be sure to post, be sure to comment. I've got several videos under Pyro Dog, under mortar rack building, and 2015 fireworks stash. So be sure to like, post, comment, subscribe, whatever. Thanks again.